Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? This guy here. Hold on, I'm about to. There's like people here, but I don't need my phone in the car right quick. But waiting for Vince. Yo, it's like I didn't know this shit was here, bro. Like shit, this gonna be my new spot. Hopefully, I don't know if they locked the gates or not, but this is kind of a nice spot. Hopefully, you can hear me. The wind is not picking up too much with this thing again. I'm such a big ass kid, but yeah. Yo, I just fucking washed her and she's dirty again, dude. Look at this shit. This is why I need a goddamn car cover. Cause I think it's because temperature, the fluctuating temperature, like fogging up and stuff like that. Just got in from an interview with Vince. I'm about to send him some pictures so I don't forget. Just learned that me and him, we have so much shit in common, dude. I'm so, like I said, I'm so happy like that my neighbors I'm so happy that she was babysitting people to the point like it pissed me off to where like I went to go find like some people. I'm not talking to myself. They're like, what the fuck? Hey! What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm happy that these assholes next door pissed me off babysitting kids and shit. Where they was throwing footballs and stuff by my car. That way, like I said, I got to meet Vince. And like I said, as I always say, I got to meet people like Brandon, A-Rob, Matt Parker, Keon, both Keons. Yo, sorry it's bright. I don't feel like turning down the iOS. But yo, oh yeah, that's what I forgot to fucking say. Alright, look. So I'm going Crane Highway, going towards like the Walmart, right? And like this, I seen this Charger before on Instagram. I don't know who the hell it is, but this Charger, he was coming, like, if you're from the Maryland area, you know where the Bay Sox, you know at that light with the base, you can go left, make that left at the light, and go towards the BJ's, the Chick-fil-A, the Bay Sox, and all the other stuff. Well, this fool, coming out of the apartments, I guess, coming out, went around another car. It was a fucking Charger, like I said, a black Charger with like red lettering and stickers and all that shit. Comes out, goes around his other car and burns out and shit. I beep at him. And then like I seen a homie with her Camaro. I saw her. And then this dude looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm beeping at the Charger and shit because he's doing crazy shit. No, because he's doing crazy shit. So don't hate. Yeah, he looking at me like, what the fuck? Yo, that shit was funny. Hey, who the hell are you, man?
The next day.
Good morning. Hey, yo, so it's like another car meet that you can probably hear it, but it's another car meet. It's like an old school car meet. Oh yeah, the homie Rob, he's not going. I'm waiting for the homies. They're coming. Alright, so we met up with the homie. His exhaust is loud as shit. I'm trying to get him like taking off. Hear that shit? He loud as fuck. Yo, son, my nigga just stopped him for like no fucking reason, dude. No reason. Yo, this fucking car said he pulled him over headlights. No fucking headlights out. Like, what the fuck? Yo, son, that cop tried to say his like headlights were out and shit. They wasn't fucking out. Like, what the fuck? What type of shit is that? Fucking liar.
So this band was talking about, it was a state trooper.
Oh, we at the meet.
Hold on.
Oh, you good?
It was a state trooper, but this man was talking about.
I didn't even get to say hi to Jonathan, so I'm about to do a little walkthrough. It's like dark as shit, so yeah, I'm about to show y'all around. Check this outfit. Hi. Hey, you going to the Marley? Check. Oh shit, I just noticed it's like fucking his whole Subarus. What the fuck?
I mean, I've got a porcelain black. I've got a porcelain.
That's not the one that was tailgating me. What's up? Gang. That's nice, man. Oh, you didn't go to the rodeo, did you?
He's been a couple times.
Was that's the guy that was at the froyo meet, right?
TV's right here.
This the enemy though.
Alright.
Oh, I didn't see that. Oh shit. Oh, this is about the heroes. What'd you say? Creepy.
Alright, so
a lot of guys have changed these out to the newer style projectors. This is a Nismo though, so I don't want to change too much.
It's not. Look at this motherfucker now. Oh, I forgot my costume. I was trying to scare Jonathan. And I was scared the shit out of him. Creepy kush. You speak Spanish?
no, I know this.
I know like some words. I know the bad stuff. Sound like Bad Bunny.
I'm not ready to get a quote myself.
Yo, I saw that shit last time. I almost ran into the damn wall. You can't tell me this shit's not. That's the same thing from the last time. I think so.
This is all makeup. My 14-year-old sister did all this.
That's dope. That's really dope. Oh, that's so
See, she didn't listen to me, so she
Oh, shit.
He's like, I'll come help make it work.
Killer
Damn, I
rabbits.
should have brought mine, dude.
Killer bug.
Yo, that is sick.
Mubs got beats, beats, beats.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.